If you could solve Earth's problems with a violin score, a celebrity voiceover saying something profound yet relatable, a scene with small children playing in nature, we'd be just fine by now. But a sustainable future is going to take some work, which is what we do at Ford. Hard work, at scale, the kind of work that makes an impact. Transitioning more of our manufacturing to renewable carbon-free electricity, saving billions of gallons of water, working to reduce waste to zero, and incorporating sustainable materials in our vehicles. The kind of work that takes patience, persistence, and grit. That takes learning, innovation, and a multitude of people, families, and communities. Work that drives change. That's how we've driven progress the last 120 years. Sometimes slowly, other times in the blink of an eye. And that's how we'll continue building a better world together. That's the road we're on at Ford. The road to better.